Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 not responding problem. So let's start. Now for the first method, you just need to go to the Steam launcher and open it. After that, go to library and select collection. In the left menu, just search for Dota 2. After that, go to the right, you can see the gear icon, which is manage. You need to click it. After that, select properties. Now once this pop up, go to installed files on the left. After that, select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, make sure to restart the Steam launcher by selecting the upside arrow right here. After that, right click on the Steam launcher and select exit Steam and try opening that once again. Now if the method didn't work, now for the next method, go to the Windows search bar. After that, select NVIDIA, open NVIDIA app. After that, in the left, go to drivers. Make sure you have already installed the latest driver. If reinstall button is displayed right here, you should be good. Now if you still have the problem, all you need to do, go to the Windows icon right here. After that, make sure to restart your computer, and after that, the problem should be gone. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.